Today kicks off Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and many agencies around eastern Idaho are holding special events today. One of those agencies is Bingham Healthcare, where we find Misty Inglet, who is live from Blackfoot. Hey, Misty.
Yeah, good morning, Deanne. So I'm out here at Bingham Memorial Hospital. We are ready for their annual Break for Breakfast event. They are getting ready to start here in just a few minutes. We've got a line of cars behind us all ready to go. I was here at about 4:45 and they already had cars lined up, excited for people to come through for this event. You can see behind me, we've got all of the volunteers. We've got all of the bags set up. You can see they're really colorful, fun bags this year. They're all set, ready to go. They've got a whole bunch of them to give out. Right now, I want to bring in Jake Erickson, and he is the CEO for Bingham Memorial Hospital, and we want to chat with him for just a second. So, Jake, good morning. Thank you so much for being out here.
Thank you.
So, tell us a little bit about Break for Breakfast. You know, how many years you guys have been doing this, and all of the work and the effort that goes into getting this ready to go.
Yeah, this is a great event. We've been doing this event for over a decade here at Bingham Memorial Hospital. Great event to be able to get awareness out in the community for breast cancer, to help not only get the awareness out, but have everybody excited about what we can do to help, what we call this year, give cancer the boot. And we're excited for that. We have, a whole bunch of volunteers that show up every year for this. Early in the morning, they show up before 4 a.m. and they start making these bags. They take all the boxes out, throw all the stuff in the bags, and pack them out here to the street. And we line up the streets to have people come out and pick up their bags in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Awesome, yes, and you mentioned, as you can see, you've got some of your Western attire on. They've got my pink shirt and the cowboy hat for the Give Cancer the Boot theme. Really fun theme this year. And I know they said they had the volunteers here at 3 a.m., and they've got 5,000 bags, I believe, to give out?
5,000 bags to give out this morning. Yep, 5,000 bags.
And yeah, just to talk a little bit about the importance of an event like this, something that's, quick for people to come through on their way to work, but something that's simple, but yet so important to have.
Yeah, this is a great thing for somebody just to come in real quick, pick up a bag. There's a bunch of education material as well about breast cancer awareness inside the bag, which is the most important part, is getting the community aware so we can have the prevention of breast cancer awareness. It's hard when you get to a point where you've already got it, or it's really far in the stage. But if you can do some prevention and make sure you get your annual checks, we can all help get rid of this nasty disease.
And as CEO, what's it like for you personally to see an event like this, all your staff, all your volunteers come together to make this event happen?
Oh, it's amazing. It just makes you feel out that the culture here at Bingham not only is about coming to work and do your regular daily job, but show up for events like this so early in the morning and be able to provide a community event that can hopefully benefit many, many people that come in the future.
Great. Thank you so much. And again, let's just get a closer look. This is the bags that they're giving out. Really colorful. They've got some breakfast in there. We've got some apple slices, cheese, and as he mentioned, the breast cancer information. So they're giving these out. They're here until 10 or until supplies run out. So come on down and get them. And we'll check back in just a little bit. We'll have some more interviews and some updates for you. For now, I'll send it back to you in the studio, Deanne.
Today kicks off Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and many agencies around eastern Idaho are holding special events today. One of those agencies is Bingham Healthcare, where we find Misty Inglet, who is live from Blackfoot. Hey, Misty.
Yeah, good morning again, Deanne. So we're back out here at Break for Breakfast still at Bingham Memorial Hospital, and it's been a fun time this morning. They have had a steady line of cars since about 4:45 this morning. They've got 5,000 bags to give out, so we're here for the next couple of hours till supplies run out. Again, as you can see by our attire, this year's theme is Give Cancer the Boots. We got our cowboy hats, we got our pink on. We're ready to go. You can come down and see us. And joining me right now, I have Hillary Agato. She's a mammogram tech here at Bingham, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about the screening process and the radiology process that goes into breast cancer screening. So Hillary, of course, we're out here this morning as an awareness event to remind people to get their mammograms, to get that appointment made, to get the checkup. But it can be a little bit maybe intimidating or a little bit scary to want to go in and do that. Just talk to us a little bit about the process.
Yeah, early detection is key. It's best to start at age 40. You can schedule online. We have a portal process, or call us, where we can get you in within a few days to a week. Technology's come a long way. It's a quick process, 8 to 10 minutes, a few pictures, and you're done. It's uncomfortable, but it's not bad.
And you mentioned the recommended age to start is about 40, but if you have maybe a family history of breast cancer, should you maybe think about getting that a few years earlier?
Yeah, if you have a family history, 10 years earlier. So my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer at age 39, so I started at 29. Everything's fine, but you never know.
And you mentioned, the early detection is the key, because with the advancements in technology, it's even better nowadays that the sooner you catch it, the better the result usually.
Yep. And with the 3D, it slices through the breast tissue. You can see a lot quicker, easier, diagnose faster.
And I know another factor that maybe sometimes we push off those screenings is the financial factor. But there are a lot of options either with insurance, or if you don't have insurance, you guys try to give them some affordable options, because we want to make sure that people are able to come in, they have access to get those mammograms.
Yep. Insurance pretty much covers it once a year. And then we have a deal that if you pay out of pocket, it's a little over $100. It's worth it.
And yeah, someone who deals with these on a daily basis, I guess just kind of your word of encouragement to women, like this event, we want you to stop and really think about yourself, but just your word of encouragement to women to go ahead and come in, get those mammograms, get those scheduled.
Yeah, I mean, you're important. I get compliments all the time that this is so great, so fast. Things have improved. It's incredible. So it really is.
And going back again to those advancements in technology, I know if there is a diagnosis of breast cancer, it's very scary. It's not something that we want to hear. But again, it's that early detection, because with all of the resources available now, it really is a lot easier to treat in most cases.
Yes. Yeah, for sure.
Anything else that you'd like to add that you would like the community to know?
No, I think that's good.
Hillary, thank you so much. Again, we're here for the next couple of hours till supplies run out. Weather's perfect. It's quick and easy. They'll grab the bags, put them in your car for you. So come on out and see us. We'll check back in with you in just a little bit. For now, Deanne, I'll send it back to you in the studio.
All right. Thank you, Misty. Today kicks off Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and many agencies around eastern Idaho are holding special events today. One of those agencies is Bingham Healthcare, where we find Misty Inglet, who is live from Blackfoot. Misty.
Good morning again, Deanne. So we're still rolling out here at Break for Breakfast. Still a pretty steady line of cars coming through. They are here until they run out of bags. They've got 5,000 total they're giving out today. And they are flying through those bags. They just drive on through. They'll pop them in your car for you, and you can be on your way. It's an awesome event. It's been popular all morning. With me right now, I have Hannah Golding, and she's a volunteer at today's event. So, Hannah, I know that one of the reasons that you're here volunteering today is you actually have a personal connection with breast cancer. So talk to us about that and kind of what inspired you to want to be out here this morning.
Yes, of course. So I'm actually with the Stone Pony, and our Blackfoot manager has just been diagnosed with breast cancer, and it has just been devastating for our team. And we believe at the Stone Pony, no one fights alone. So I reached out to Bingham, and they so graciously were like, absolutely come be part of the event. And so we put in a little coupon that anybody that brings it in will get a free stacker band at the Stone Pony. And then we are donating 5% of all of our sales in October to our employee and plus any other nonprofit organizations that we would get involved in. So that's kind of our main reason, is we just want to be part of it and show our support.
And just talk a little bit, if you're able, about your coworker and her diagnosis. Was she able to get in and get that early detection? Things are hopefully going to look good because she was able to get in and get that mammogram.
So yeah, actually she identified it because of self-checking and was able to go into the doctor, and they were able to kind of get things figured out. She actually just had surgery last week. Things are looking pretty good. Hopefully she won't have to do a lot of chemo, but absolutely early detection is the key, making sure you're paying attention. And 100%. And I know that Bingham has a great plan that you can actually get a reminder on your phone on like your birthday month to come in and get your mammogram.
And just seeing that personal connection, having somebody that you know directly that's been affected by breast cancer. I know it's easy a lot of times for us to think, not going to happen to me. Maybe we haven't been touched by it. And so does it really add something in the back of your mind now that you have a personal connection, just the importance of this and getting your mammogram, that awareness?
Absolutely. I mean, you always think, oh, it's someone else, but to have someone so close to me, someone that I care about so deeply, and to have this in our face and wanting to step in and help in every way we can, because yeah, we're a family and it takes all of us. But yeah, it's in the back of my mind of, when should I be checking? When do I need to take those steps to ensure my health as well?
And so now being able to be out here this morning and see everybody come through, pick up that key information as someone has kind of a really close experience with it. How awesome is it for you to see so many people coming through to get that awareness?
Oh yeah, this is by far my favorite event of the whole year. I love being a part of Break for Breakfast, but I mean, we just had a car come through and they got 95 bags. That's 95 people that are going to get this information that maybe wouldn't have otherwise. And so we're getting the awareness out there. We're telling people all the steps they need to take, and that's huge. It just takes spreading the word.
Hannah, thank you so much. And again, we're out here till they run out of bags. Come on down, grab one. They'll throw it in your car for you. So important to come out and give cancer the boot. That's why we're here. Deanne, I'll send it back to you in the studio.
All right, thank you, Misty.